If you guys want to get started on YouTube and you don't want to show your face, then this is the video for you. There are countless YouTube channels thriving in the unsolved mystery niche, racking up thousands to millions of views. They're earning big money by simply posting mystery videos using stock footage and AI-generated animations. The unsolved mystery niche holds massive potential for generating significant revenue. On average, creators in this space can expect an RPM ranging from $2 to $8, while CPM rates typically fall between $4 and $12. With the right strategy, high engagement, and captivating content, this niche can be incredibly lucrative, especially as it attracts a curious, loyal audience and premium advertisers. To kick things off, check out this unsolved mystery video I create myself using only AI.
For centuries, the mysterious waters of Loch Ness have stirred curiosity, fear, and fascination. And could there be something lurking beneath the surface? Something unknown. The Loch Ness Monster, also known as Nessie, has become one of the world's most enduring unsolved mysteries. From its first modern sighting in 1933, Nessie has captivated the imaginations of millions. But what is it about this creature that keeps us hooked? Today, we'll explore the legend, the sightings, and the unanswered questions surrounding the Loch Ness Monster. It was
pretty cool, right? Well, now I'm going to show you how you can create a video just like that in under 15 minutes. It's super easy. So let's begin with the step 1, generating video ideas. Looking to create unique mystery topics? It's simpler than you think. Forget spending hours on research. Just let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Just open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a list of top 20 unsolved mysteries," and all done. You'll have a treasure trove of video ideas at your fingertips. To demonstrate this process, let's choose one intriguing topic together, the Loch Ness Monster. Captivating, isn't it? All right, let's jump into the fun part. Step 2, writing the script. This is where we really get to grab our viewers' attention and bring the mystery to life. No need to stress though. With a little help from AI, we're about to craft an epic script in no time. First things first, let's dig deeper into our mystery. Open up Google and search for our topic, the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster. You'll find tons of articles, videos, and blogs about it. Pick out 2 or 3 of the most interesting ones and open them in separate tabs. As you skim through, keep an eye out for those wow, that's crazy moments, the kind of stuff that'll make your audience glued to their screens. Jot those golden nuggets down in a Google Doc so you've got them all in one place. Here's where the real magic happens. Jump over to ChatGPT and hit it with this prompt. I want to create a YouTube channel in the mystery niche. Please act as a YouTube script writer and provide me with a 1,000-word script for my video on the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster. I'll give you some article points for reference then. Paste in the cool facts and info you found earlier. This gives ChatGPT the fuel it needs to whip up a full script, tailored just for your video. Now, here's a little secret. Don't just copy and paste the AI's script as is. You want your personality to shine through. Take a few minutes to tweak the wording, add your own thoughts, write anything you think sound cool. This will give your video that special flavor that makes it stand out from everything else out there. Remember, your voice is what keeps your audience coming back for more. Step 3, creating the voiceover. With your script ready, it's time to give it life through a professional voiceover. But don't worry, you don't need to record your own voice or hire anyone. AI has got you covered. For this, I'll be using play.ht, but feel free to explore other options like 11 Labs or any AI tool that suits your needs. Here's how to get started. Head over to play.ht and click on New File. Once inside, filter by narrative or story categories and browse the voice options. Pick one that complements the mood of your video. For mystery content, I love using a deep, dramatic voice. It instantly creates tension and intrigue. After selecting your voice, paste your script and hit generate. Play around with the tone and speed settings until the voiceover fits your style perfectly. To give you an idea of how it will sound, here's a sample.
Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of all time, the legend of the Loch Ness Monster.
Pretty cool, right? Now that the voiceover is taken care of, let's dive into creating the visuals. Now, let's bring your video to life. You've got 2 solid options. The first is straightforward, using original images, stock footage, and clips you can easily find on social media. It's quick, simple, and it gets the job done. But the second option, that's where things get exciting. Imagine using AI to create custom images and videos that fit your content perfectly. Not only does this make your video look more polished and professional, but it adds an element of creativity that grabs people's attention and keeps them watching longer. And we all know that the longer viewers stick around, the more YouTube rewards your video by pushing it out to a wider audience. That's why I highly recommend going the AI route. It's a game changer. With AI animation, your video will stand out from the crowd, and who doesn't want that? Our next step is crucial. Step 4, generating images. To make this happen, we'll need image prompts. So, let's head back to ChatGPT and type, write an image generation prompt for each line of the story. This will give us a set of specific prompts for the entire script. Once we have those prompts ready, we can open any AI image generator tool. I'm going with Ideogram AI for this, but you can also use tools like Playground AI or Leonardo AI, whichever you prefer. Here's how it works. Open Ideogram AI and sign in with your Google account. Paste the prompts we got from ChatGPT into the generator. Select the aspect ratio 16:9, which is perfect for video. Add a design filter to give your images a polished look. Hit generate and you'll get 4 custom images in seconds. Now, just pick the 2 best ones, download them, and you're all set. These custom images will elevate your video, making it visually engaging and professional, ensuring viewers stay hooked from start to finish. You may be wondering, why 2 images? Well, here's the plan. We'll use one image as it is for part of the video, while the second one will be transformed into an AI-powered animation to really bring the story to life. Now, take the second prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into your chosen image generator. Repeat this process until you've got all the visuals you need for your video. Once that's done, we're ready to move on to the exciting part, turning these still images into dynamic, eye-catching animations that will captivate your audience. Step 5. Creating animated videos. This is where your video takes a leap in quality. Static images can feel flat, and viewers are less likely to stay engaged. So let's transform those images into dynamic, attention-grabbing animations. You can experiment with different AI tools to see which one works best for you, but for this tutorial, we'll use Pika Lab. Start by opening Pika Lab and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in the dashboard, upload your first image and input a prompt describing what you want to happen in the video. If you're unsure of what to type, don't worry. You can head back to ChatGPT and ask for detailed animation prompts for each section of your script. ChatGPT will have provided both image generation and animation prompts, so all you need to do is copy those over and paste them into Pika Lab. Next, click on Advanced Settings and tweak a few key parameters. Add camera controls for more dynamic movement, and for negative prompts, include terms like ugly, bad, distorted, or low quality. Set the animation to 12 frames per second and a motion strength of 4. Then, generate your animation by entering a random seed number and hitting generate. Within seconds, you'll have a polished AI-driven animation. Pick the version that looks best and download it. If you're using a free plan, the video quality might be limited, but no need to worry. Instead of upgrading, you can use CapCut free AI upscaling tool. Just open CapCut, upload your animation, click upscale, and boom, you now have a high-resolution, professional quality animation. After that, export the video. Repeat this process for each image, generating and downloading them one by one. Make sure to organize everything in the correct sequence to streamline the editing process later. We're almost there. The final step is to find cinematic background music. Check out the YouTube audio library or search Google for non-copyrighted cinematic background music. Pick a track that matches your video and download it to your computer. Step 6. Editing the video. Now we're on to the final step, editing your video. I'll be using CapCut for this tutorial because it's super user-friendly, but feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. First, open CapCut and import all of your materials: the voiceover, animated clips, and background music. Start by dragging the voiceover file onto the timeline. Then, add your videos one by one, aligning each clip with the corresponding part of the voiceover. If a clip doesn't perfectly sync with the audio, no worries. Simply adjust the playback speed to make it fit. To get more precise, zoom in on the timeline and fine-tune each clip, making sure everything flows smoothly with the voiceover. After that, it's time to enhance your video with effects. CapCut offers a wide range of options, so choose effects that complement the tone and mood of your content. For the animated images, you can add additional animations or transitions, but avoid overloading the video clips with effects. Sometimes less is more. Next, boost the volume on your voiceover to ensure it's loud and clear, standing out against the other elements. Finally, layer in some background music that suits the vibe of your video. Make sure the volume is balanced so the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to export your polished, professional-looking video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.